Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we are going to unbox, finally after more than 2 years I think, some new models. Yes, you heard right, we have 3 models, some bonus stuff, let's say it like that. Okay, don't talk a lot, let's just unbox it. As you can see, I bought these models from Arcunia, and yes, let's see, I haven't bought some models in quite some time. What is the reason, you may be asking? Well, the reason is comes most down to price. I mean, the models are great, but usually I don't just buy one model or 2 models. I want to get usually at least 3 or more. So okay, let's see that I don't leak anything. And the first one is, okay, that's the invoice. Oh, we get actually a card from Arcunia. This is quite cool. We have the Air Greenland, which is a unique model, let's say it like that. So what I like about Arcunia is that they package it with bubble wrap. To be honest, I don't know how much it helps in shipping. Like, I would also suspect that having just enough leftover newspaper and stuff like that would also help in keeping the model safe. I remembered, personally I like Arcunia. I think the store owner is really nice. The only problem that I had so far with Arcunia is that Arcunia shipped me 2 models that were broken. They may be factory broken, so I can't really blame Arcunia too much, to be honest, but still, nevertheless, it's disappointing, of course, if you receive broken models. And yeah, I have them uploaded on my YouTube channel as well. Enough talked about Arcunia. So first off, you have the Airbus A330-800 Neo. This aircraft is actually special because it is an 800 Neo. Not many were purchased by airlines around the world. I think Uganda Airlines has some, and Kuwait Airlines had some on the order at least. I'm not sure. You probably know better. But it's the first and only one for Air Greenland. That's what I'm pretty sure about. Registration is OY-GKN. 1 to 400 scale as usual, and the price for this one was, without tax, 44 euros and 59 cents. So yeah, it's I would say it's a fair price in general for new models. So let's see. This is always the most difficult part, to open this box without breaking it. I hate it, but we managed to do it more or less. And here's the model. I'm curious to see actually how the new mold is, because this is from the second newest release now. They released already some newer models again. And yeah, I'm always curious to see how they improve the molds. That's something I'm really interested in. Okay, so it looks like this model hasn't been opened yet, from what I can see. Yeah, we have the plastic and everything. Okay, that's nice that we have this plastic. And yes, because I got it right now from delivery, the model is a bit cool. So let's put the model here. Looks really good actually. I feel like I always complain a bit about the colors, but I feel like the red is a bit dark. To be honest, I've never seen the Air Greenland airplane in real life, but from photos, I mean, on some photos the Air Greenland looks pretty dark, and on some it looks pretty bright reds. As you can see, the red is quite a lot darker than on the box. I don't know if it's intended like this. The model looks good, it doesn't look broken. That is also very good. So let's go straight to the zoom part, I would say. Here we have the nose. I can't really see what it's written here. It's probably the name. We have some antennas, Air Greenland. Why do I always want to say Air New Zealand somehow? It's weird. We have the engine that looks actually stunning in my opinion. Engine looks really good. We have the winglets here. Let's see if that focuses. That looks good. Somehow this winglet looks a bit bent. Is it just me? Yeah, no, it's not bent at all. It looks actually very good. Somehow from the lights here, it looks like the winglet is a bit bent, but all good. Seems to be fine. Here we have another few antennas, fuselage, and of course in the back there should be the registration. I hope it's clear. And we have the tail. It looks actually pretty good. And here's the other, or here's the front, the engine view. Here are the other sides. And what else can I show you? The bottom. Don't worry about that, it looks a bit, how do you say, a bit misty now. It is actually a bit misty, the model. It's coming straight from outside, so yeah, don't worry about that. We have the Air Greenland writing on the bottom, and we have the registration on the right wing, sorry, on the left wing, or on wing 1. And we have some more antennas here at the bottom, actually. I think you can see one here, a tiny one, and 2 more here. To be honest, I feel like the mold is at this point really, really nice. Let's see with the gear. I mean, some people don't really like the gear of Phoenix, I know that. Personally, I like the gear of Phoenix, how they design it, how it looks like. So that's nice, but I know some people do not. So what is my review of this model? I think this model is, to be honest, I would have expected a bit more from this model. I feel like the mold has been, or is stunning now, I really have to say. What I don't like, or what it seems like, that the red is a bit too dark. I often feel like that Phoenix has a tendency to make the colors a bit too dark. But that's just my opinion. And what I also think is this model is for people who want to have an 800 Neo, A330-800 Neo, and or want to have a completely red aircraft. I think that's the model for these people. Yeah, but all in all, great model. I like it, and I will definitely add it to my collection. So I hope you liked the video, and we'll see us soon again. New Phoenix models reviews. So yeah, I need to make sure that I don't leak anything to the public, so you can't come to my place and steal my airplane models. Come on, focus.